A huge round of applause for team Pr.lt.
So, good evening, everyone. We would like to tell you a story about Nick.
Yes.
Nick has the least appreciated job in his enterprise. He's a public relations manager. He loves his job, but he has a problem. His boss can sometimes be a real dick. This is because when the boss frequently asks him, "What the hell are you doing all day long, Nick? Why can't you give me some actionable data, actionable insights?" Instead, he ends up getting so much data, and he has to do the analysis himself. So we would like to make a product which is simple, stupid, instead of being stupid, difficult.
Past data is not enough for making actionable insights. Therefore, we would like to create a PR planner. And with a PR planner, you could set goals and beat these goals. So in case of Nick, he could make PR goals like mentions and share of voice, or he could make some custom key performance indicators for himself. Competitors currently do not have a planner, and therefore, if we would take just 5% of Lithuanian market only, we would earn in the first year roughly $100,000 US, and that would help us to continuously develop the platform for global markets and test our hypothesis. The proven pricing model here is a monthly subscription fee, and we would be charging from 100 to 200 euros. On top of that, we actually would give even crowdsourced insights from external authorized PR managers.
But wait, can we make this whole platform even more fun, more attractive, more engaging? Let's get a cat. So the whole idea is that in order to make the whole platform more fun and attractive, we want to gamify the system, to have something different. The cat here is a symbol, the symbol of how good your PR activities are doing. If the cat is fat and happy, of course you're doing great. If the cat is starving, on the other hand, you should up your game and do a better job. So we would like to turn the monitoring platforms, the whole idea of monitoring, to make it more fun and make it something like a Tamagotchi. Everyone knows what a Tamagotchi is. So thank you. And if you do not do a good job in PR, your cat might run away.
Wow. Okay. Jury, do your
Public
worst.
relations is very sensitive on context, and do you do any analytics on the context of the mentions?
Yes, actually, one of the metrics we would like to offer is the penetration in some kind of topic. So, for example, if you are at the bank and you are interested in mortgages, in insurance, and some other topics, so you could see how much you are penetrating in this topic, and also how much competitors are penetrating. So you could see your share of voice by the topic also, and based on the context.
What's your take on Biz360, Radian6, eCairn, Topsy, and ... 300 other companies?
Excuse me, what is the differentiator from these companies you are asking? Yes?
Yeah.
So as soon as we are starting from Lithuanian market, the key differentiator here will be a planner itself, because product is complex. It is having monitoring, then analytics, and we are offering the planner. The planner is not an existing product in Lithuanian market. We have many different gazillion of hypotheses what might work. So first of all, we will try in Lithuania with the planner.
But how's the planner not just a feature for Biz360? That's just an extra feature to add, and it's done.
Actually, so the second issue is a cat. So you can. No, actually, it sounds funny, but one of the most crucial thing for PR managers, which were showed in the researches, is that to have not data but insights and to have it in a simple form. So actually imagine that you are having a cat which you grow, the better your PR results, the fatter the cat. And actually if you are holding this cat in your mobile phone, in your smartwatch, so you can play with him like with the Tamagotchi, so you can tickle his belly and he will be smiling to you and getting you engaged into the product.
All right, any more questions from the jury? Wow, did you actually manage to make them silent? Justinas is busy tweeting, so...
Another differentiator, what I would like to ask, this is the third one, so we have told that we will give an insights from the crowdsourced PR manager. So we imagine that if we would show the results of this particular brand and other PR...
Now let him answer his question.
I'm not convinced that you know your competitors, just based on your answer.
Okay, good feedback.
Local, we know definitely.
So how are you going to enter to Lithuanian markets? Have you spoke to PR agencies already?
Yes, actually, to tell you the truth, the PR representative of President of Lithuania have already registered on our Launch Rock site. We have 42 beta users who have registered from this Friday evening,
You have no
and also
time left. A big
75
round of applause
Facebook
for
fans
Pr.lt.
in 2 days.